Because we are in a very nascent stage of democratic stage, we still need a lot of democratic experience and practices to be learned.
Many of the fastest growing economies in the world are here in Africa, where there's a historic shift taking place from poverty to a growing nascent middle class.
We do know that the democratic experience in Iraq is nascent and fragile, but it was born very strong.
So we're going to continue to use the full range of our tools to roll ISIL back from Libya while assisting the new and nascent Libyan government as it works to secure their country. With respect to Libya, both David and I discussed our commitment to try to assist this